Rana, one of the staff of the hospital, and she said, I will take care of you. The problem I had was a torn disc, and it hit the nerve. I had pains day and night, all day and night. I couldn't sleep, I couldn't lie in bed, day and night. A few months ago, when the problem began, I saw a few physicians in Israel. They looked at the MRI, they say, it's not so difficult. Let's try physiotherapy, conservative treatment. If it doesn't help, make epidural injections. And I wasn't sure that's the answer to my pain. And then my colleague said, you must try AIMIS. And here I am, after the operation. The minute I came out of the airport, Rana met me. Rana, one of the staff of the hospital, and she said, I will take care of you 24 hours a day till you leave. She gave me a phone and told me, call me. She didn't give the number of her, but she gave me a phone, so it will be easy for me to call. She took me to the hospital. Immediately, everyone, Mariana, everyone came. Are you hungry? Do you want to drink something? How do you feel? They made me feel at home, actually. I got the feeling that everyone wants me to feel confident and comfort. After 2 minutes that I met Dr. Smith with his lovely smile, I felt I can trust that man. He explained me what he's going to do. He showed me on the MRI where are the injuries. Very patient with me. Wanted me to understand everything. I must say I didn't meet a surgeon like that. After the operation, he came into the room, checked me, came again in the evening, came again in the morning. Something extraordinary. After 24 hours after the operation, I walked already 30 minutes outside with no pain at all. I sleep at night. It's like a dream. And the hospital does not leave you alone here. Every day comes the physiotherapist to have a treatment. The doctor comes, the nurse comes to change the bandage. People of the hospital come, Sunny, Honey, Rana. I said I have to have a secretary to make all the appointments all the day long. They don't leave you alone. People don't know that Cyprus is now a European country. They don't know the people here, the hospitality of the people. The hospital is a first-class hospital with good staff, experienced staff. I felt very confident doing the operation in Cyprus. My recommendation for AIMIS is that people won't give up. If they are not satisfied with the answers of physicians, if the physicians don't give them the solution to their problem, they don't have to suffer. It's very easy to transfer all medical results, MRI, CAT scans and things like that by mail to AIMIS and hear another opinion. It doesn't have to say that they are going for operation. But let's hear another opinion. Maybe there is a solution. Maybe there is an easier solution that AIMIS can give you.